Hey there, future scientists! Ready to crush your next science fair? Today, we're diving into the awesome world of energy with 10 incredible project ideas. From solar power to kinetic energy, we've got it all. Let's do this! First up, we're combining science and snacks by building a solar oven out of a pizza box. Black out the inside with black paper or paint to absorb the sun's heat. Create a reflector with aluminum foil to concentrate the sunbeams. Seal it with plastic wrap to trap the heat inside. Pop in your favorite snack and let the sun work its magic. Enjoy a perfectly cooked treat and learn about solar energy. Get ready to build a rubber band-powered car. This is a lesson in kinetic energy on wheels. Use cardboard for the chassis and bottle caps for wheels. Attach a rubber band to the axle and wind it up to store potential energy. Release it to transform potential energy into kinetic energy, sending your car zipping across the floor. Experiment with different rubber bands and wheels to see how it affects speed and distance. Build your own mini power plant with a water wheel. Craft a wheel out of sturdy cardboard and attach spoons around the edge. Position it under a steady stream of water to set the wheel in motion. The water transfers its energy to the spoons, causing the wheel to spin. Attach a small generator to power a tiny light bulb and see hydropower in action. Build a hand crank generator to create electricity with a crank handle. This simple yet fascinating project allows you to see firsthand how mechanical energy can be transformed into electrical energy. By turning the crank handle, you are essentially generating power with your own hands. It's a fun and educational way to understand the principles of energy conversion. This project shows the connection between mechanical and electrical energy. When you turn the crank, the mechanical energy from your hand movements is converted into electrical energy by the motor. This electrical energy can then be used to power small devices, like an LED light. Attach a crank handle to a small motor to convert cranking power into electricity. The motor acts as a generator, producing electrical current as you turn the handle. This process is a great way to visualize how energy can change forms. Connect the motor to an LED light and watch it light up as you crank. The LED light serves as a clear indicator of the electrical energy being produced. The more you crank, the more electricity is generated, and the brighter the LED shines. The faster you crank, the brighter the light shines. This demonstrates the direct relationship between the speed of cranking and the amount of electrical energy produced. It's a simple yet effective way to understand the dynamics of energy conversion. This project demonstrates how energy transforms from one form to another. By engaging in this hands-on activity, you can better grasp the concept of energy transformation and its practical applications in everyday life. It's a powerful demonstration of the fundamental laws of physics. Through this project, you can explore the principles of energy conservation and conversion, making it an excellent educational tool for young scientists and curious minds alike. Ever wondered how houses stay warm in winter and cool in summer? It's all thanks to insulation. Insulation is a material that slows down the transfer of heat. In this experiment, we'll test different insulation materials. We'll see which ones are the most effective at keeping heat in or out. Fill several identical containers with hot water. This will simulate the heat inside a house, and wrap each in a different material. Use materials like wool, foam, and aluminum foil to see how they perform. Monitor the temperature over time. Use a thermometer to check the water temperature at regular intervals, to see which material keeps the water hot the longest. Record your findings and compare the results. This experiment shows how insulation controls heat transfer. The better the insulation, the slower the heat escapes. Good insulation acts as a barrier, preventing heat from moving in or out too quickly, slowing down the flow of heat. This is crucial for maintaining a comfortable temperature inside buildings. It's why houses with proper insulation stay cozy in winter and cool in summer. Insulation is an essential part of energy efficiency in homes. Harness the power of the wind with a homemade wind turbine. This exciting project is perfect for young engineers and environmental enthusiasts alike. Capture the kinetic energy of moving air and transform it into electrical energy. By understanding the principles of wind energy, you can create a sustainable power source. Construct the blades from cardboard and attach them to a central hub. Make sure the blades are evenly spaced and securely fastened to ensure efficient spinning. Connect the hub to a small motor and mount the assembly on a sturdy base. This motor will convert the mechanical energy of the spinning blades into electrical energy. Find a breezy spot and let the wind spin the blades, turning the motor. The stronger the wind, the more energy you can generate. Generate a small electrical current and connect it to an LED light. This simple circuit will demonstrate how wind energy can be converted into usable electricity. Watch it light up with the power of the wind. This hands-on project not only teaches valuable scientific principles, but also highlights the importance of renewable energy sources. Explore the relationship between potential and kinetic energy with a bouncing ball experiment. Use balls made of different materials. Drop each ball from the same height and observe how high they bounce back. Lifting the ball gives it potential energy, which converts to kinetic energy when dropped. Some balls bounce higher due to less energy loss as heat and sound. This experiment shows how different materials affect energy behavior. Create your own battery using lemons. Insert a copper coin and a zinc-coated nail into each lemon. Connect the lemons in a series with wires and alligator clips. Attach the ends to a small LED light and watch it light up. Powered by the chemical energy in the lemons, it's a fun way to explore electrochemical reactions. Test thermal conductivity with 3 spoons, metal, plastic, and wood. Place the ends in hot water. Observe which spoon heats up the fastest. Metal is an excellent conductor of heat, while wood and plastic are insulators. This experiment shows how different materials transfer heat. It's why metal pots need pot holders, but wooden spoons don't. Understanding thermal conductivity helps us use materials effectively. Launch a balloon rocket using air pressure. Thread a string through a straw and tape the straw to a balloon. Stretch the string across the room as a launch pad. Inflate the balloon and let it go. The escaping air creates thrust, propelling the balloon forward. This simple experiment demonstrates the principles of rocket science. And there you have it, 10 super fun, creative, and unique science fair projects all about energy. Try these experiments and unleash your inner scientist. Let us know which project you're most excited to try in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to School Subjects Online for more awesome science experiments. Good luck at your science fair!